Once the wise prince said, "A warrior's greatest strength is not his weapon, but his focus." Yes, you guessed right. Today we are going to talk about Arjun from Mahabharata. He was the third of five Pandava brothers, was born to Queen Kunti and the king of gods Indra. Blessed by divine power, he carried the courage of a warrior and the discipline of a saint. From childhood, Arjun showed an extraordinary love for weapons, especially the bow and arrow. His sharp mind and steady aim set him apart even among his talented brothers. Under the guidance of Guru Dronacharya, Arjun became the greatest archer of his time. He practiced tirelessly even at night. Drona once tested his student by asking what they saw while aiming at a wooden bird. Only Arjun replied, "I see only the eye of the bird." Proving his unmatched concentration, pleased with his dedication, Drona gifted him the power of weapon Brahmastra and declared him the finest disciple. At the Swayambar of Princess Draupadi, a mighty challenge awaited to pierce the eye of a revolving fish by looking only at its reflection in the water. Warriors from across the kingdom failed, but Arjun, disguised as a humble Brahmin, calmly took aim and struck the target, winning the Draupadi's hand in the marriage. Arjun's journey took him to the Himalayas and beyond, where he performed deep penance and pleased the god. Lord Shiva tested his strength in disguise and blessed him with the mighty bow Pashupat Astra. The gods of heaven armed him with celestial weapons and preparing him for the great war to come. When the Pandavas and Kauravas clashed for the throne of Hastinapur, Arjun emerged as the greatest warrior of the Kurukshetra war. But on the battlefield, seeing his loved ones, teachers, cousins, and elders on the opposite side, Arjun's heart wavered. He dropped his bow, refusing to fight. At this moment, his charioteer Lord Krishna revealed the eternal wisdom of the Bhagavad Gita, teaching Arjun about duty, righteousness, and the immortality of the soul. Strengthened by Krishna's guidance, Arjun rose again and fought with unmatched valor. He defeated mighty warriors like Bhishma, Drona, Karna, and countless others, ensuring the victory of the Pandavas. After the war, Arjun ruled with wisdom but remained devoted to Krishna's teachings. His life symbolizes focus, courage, humility, and devotion to duty. Even today, Arjun is remembered as a perfect warrior, one who combined strength with morality and never strayed from righteousness. If you want to experience this incredible story, watch the movie Arjun the Warrior Prince. It is available in YouTube for free, and if you want more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. Jai Shri Ram.